The Honda World Skills Contest highlights the best automotive technicians in the world from both Honda and Acura facilities. This year, the Canadian leg of the competition brings techs from across the country to compete at the Honda head office in Markham, Ontario to find out who will represent Canada at the World Finals in Japan.
My name is Trevor Hunt. I'm an automotive technician at Carter Honda.
Danny Cote. I work in Alma Honda.
My name is Peter Reginella. I work at Midland Honda.
Tony Thompson, technician for Valley Honda in Woodstock, New Brunswick.
My name is Ronaldo Rosario. I work at Wheaton Honda, and I'm a team leader there.
Dennis Arnold. I'm a technician at Acura Hamilton in Hamilton, Ontario.
Denis Eric, and I work at the Acura Laval. It's in Laval, near Montreal.
My name is Mark. I work at Acura Langley in Langley, British Columbia, and I'm a technician.
We selected the finalists through an online original qualifier.
And the best scorer with the highest points within the time frame was the winner of the region.
When I found out I was coming out for this competition, it was a little bit of a shock. I wasn't expecting it.
Everybody in the dealership took the test, and I had no idea. I didn't expect it. And when I found out, I was like, wow, that's pretty cool.
I thought it was a joke when my boss told me, and I didn't believe him, and it took a little while to set in, but it's pretty crazy to actually make it this far. And
my first feeling was I didn't really believe it at first.
I think the competition tomorrow will be interesting. I'm not sure exactly what to expect.
Going on past experience, I think tomorrow's competition will be stressful.
I will really wish to win and represent Canada in Japan.
See how the best technicians in Canada stack up as the competition gets underway in Part 2.